Hello everyone, would like to show you guys a couple of expansions that I got for the game Descent. I already played a game of this board game and using the app that you can download, and I played it solo actually, and it worked very well. So I really like it and decided to get a couple of the expansions. So this is Bonds of the Wild, and see if I can get this open. Okay, so here is some of the components. This looks like information about the expansion, and it has a couple of adventures. There's the typical maps on how to set up the tiles, and it looks like these are the new monsters up here, and you have the new characters over here. So these are the new character cards, and let's just open these up. Looks like more like ranger characters, elf characters. That's an elf, Lysa. Shalara, few female characters there. Ronan of the Wild, looks like a barbarian. And Vyra the Falconer, that looks interesting. There we go. So, and here are some of the goodies, the figures. Let's see those. Okay, get all this out. Here are the figures, the heroes. So, very cool. There's that elf character, the barbarian. Looks very much like the card. And there's the falconer. Very cool. Let's see, because we have a figure that fell here. Now these expansions, there's quite a few of them. They seem to bring a few heroes. They add a few heroes. That's really cool. Female ranger of sorts. There's like a big lizard there. Very cool. Very nice detail on these figures. Okay, and these are all the new monsters. Let's see if we can pick out a couple of them. This one brings quite a few monsters. It looks like a goblin. A couple of goblins, actually. Very nice. And then, of course, it's tan and red. Red are the master creatures, the stronger creatures. I don't know who that is, but she looks pretty cool. Oh, a deep elf. This is a deep elf. So probably something like a dark elf, I would imagine. And a big red hellhound. It's pretty cool. So it looks like we will be facing hellhounds. Here is the tan one. Okay, and more deep elves. Actually, I think they said these were kobolds, not elves. Not goblins, I'm sorry. These are kobolds, actually. So, kobolds were very goblin-like in real mythology. So, these are kobolds. So that's kind of nice, you know. It's different from the whole D&D thing. In D&D, they're reptilian, but here they're more like little goblins. So that's cool. So these are all the figures. Nice lot of figures. And then you have, last but not least, a couple of tokens. Okay. Some cards. upgrade cards. Alright, I have to look at those closer. And you have some tokens. Here is a Falcon token. And looks like that big lizard in the figure. So, very cool. I'm going to pause this and then bring you the other expansion that I got.